Hello all, this is Dr. Day Maslak talking to you about reciprocity.com. The E is written with a 3. And in this particular video, I want to talk to you, how do you actually get feedback on your writing on reciprocity.com? So what I'm going to do is walk you through how to upload one of your documents on the particular platform and how you actually will go through and get feedback on your writing. So the name of the game with the whole reciprocity platform is that you can submit your documents and then it gets assigned to another editor or somebody that is wanting to help you out in some sort of way. So you can either earn credits on the platform or you can buy credits right up the get-go, and you don't need to earn them if you don't want to. But most people are going to be earning credits and reviewing other people's work, and then you can use those credits to have your own work edited. So we can go to log in right here. And this is once you've already logged into the system and you've signed up. So I'm just going to do that right now. I am going to sign up here, or I'm going to log in. I already have this. Sorry, I already have this. I can't think and type at the same time. Oh my gosh. I already have this email all set up in the system. So I'll just click log in and it will take you to the screen right here. Is just kind of a quick screen in order to either, if you want to request a job. So this is if you want to proofread other people's work. So again, you're going to get 100% of the credits if you keep within the system. If you take money out of the system, then that's where there's going to be a system fee. So we can go to buy credits if you want to purchase the credits. And so if you're doing this for the first time, maybe you want to purchase credits at the get-go, right? So it'll tell you, it will take you to this screen. So this is, and if you want to get to this screen, you don't necessarily have to go there. We'll go to the back here and you can close that if you want, but you can get to the same screen by clicking up here in the top right-hand corner. It's kind of like the dashboard that you might have, right? And you just cursor all the way down and you can go to buy credits, and you can buy your credits right here. So it has, you can get the 200 credits, which is pretty good. Okay, you definitely get a couple of documents proofread with that, short documents. But then there's the 800 credits, and it gets cheaper and cheaper as you go, right? So if you want to buy $100 worth right now, it's 5% off. If you want to buy $40 worth, it's half of that off, right? And that's a pretty good deal, I think. So normally when I do it, I get, if I was you, if you're testing this out, I'd probably get just the $9.99 just to try it out. But then you can also get the, after that, once you start getting used to it, you can get the 80 credits. And if you have a huge job, then you might want to get the 2,000 credits. But so I just want to make sure that when you do payments on here that, it's all powered by Stripe. And Stripe is a sort of back-end system with a lot of different platforms now on the internet. So it's kind of like PayPal. It's very, very secure. They send me all sorts of information about how secure it is and notifications and stuff. It's very, very secure in terms of your credit card information. So you can buy credits right here. I'm not going to right now, but this is what pops up. And you can notice you probably have seen this screen before on different platforms now because it is so widely used. And I'm not going to do that right now. I'm not going to add that information. But then I'm going to go here and upload the document that I want to get proofread, right? So you go to My Documents, not your reviews, but My Documents, right? So you want to upload. You can click that or you can drag information there, right? So maybe I'll do, this is an old document that I had. You could just upload it into there. And so right up here, it tells me I have no credits. This is where you find out how many credits you have. I have no credits, so it shouldn't let me proceed, but I can click and it won't let me do that. But if you had enough credits here, you could just send to review. You just click that and then it gets sent. You can also, it sort of tells you how long it's going to take on average. So this is going to go lower as more and more people are using the system. It's just relatively high right now because there's few users, but hopefully that's going to go down. It tells you how many credits that's going to be. So 70 credits, right? It's this much is worth 70 credits. And then you can go to readability. It tells you what the readability score and how many words it is. So just in case you didn't know, the credits is based on how many words your document is right now. So if it's a lot of words, it's going to be more credits it's going to use up. So basically there's a conversion rate of how much it's going to be worth. And then you can hit send to review. Once you sort of say, okay, this is worth it, I'm going to send to review, and somebody else is going to review that particular document. You can also get all sorts of different information here as well in this dashboard. And that's just by clicking that particular tile. But that's how you do it. You send to review, and then it just gets sent off to somebody else. It gets assigned to different reviewers based on a queue system, right? So it's like a lineup at a store, right? So it'll get assigned to a person within the queue, and normally the people that are on the system, they have to maintain a high rating score. So you get to rate their how well of a job that they've done after you have your work proofread by somebody else. I'll show you that in another screen or another video. And then you get to rate what their scores are. And then over time, they get an average score. And as long as they maintain high enough average star rating, then they keep getting more requests on the system, and it just keeps it's maintaining how well of a job that they're doing and that they're striving to do a good job, right? So just make sure that you do accurate ratings of them. So that's all I'm going to show you in this video. Again, if you want to send it for a review, just hit send review, and that's it. So take care and have a wonderful day.